There is increasing popularity of going plant-based or flexitarian in the Asia-Pacific region, including the Philippines. Reasons for this are health, the environment. It is even better for the economy. Plant-based or plant-forward eating patterns focus on foods primarily from plants. This includes not only fruits and vegetables, but also nuts, seeds, oils, whole grain, legumes, and beans. It does not mean that you are vegetarian or vegan and never eat meat or dairy. Rather, you are proportionately choosing more of your foods from plant sources. Lindsay and Lindsay in 2021, in their article published in the Journal of Animal Ethics, said that the demand for meals with an animal origin has expanded as a result of the worldwide population explosion and rise in affluence. Because of this trend in how we eat, natural, non-renewable resources are dwindling and environmental damage is escalating quickly. My emphasis on non-renewable is on purpose because food security and food sustainability are in direct conflict with each other if we maintain our eating habits of being predominantly meat-based. The most moral and ethical path we can take is to drastically reduce our diet of meat and dairy in order to avoid this collision between food security and sustainability. Sustainable diets, as defined by the Food and Agriculture Organization, or FAO, are diets that are nutritionally balanced, safe, healthy, culturally acceptable, economically affordable, and have minimal environmental impact. According to a 2021 survey conducted by Rakuten Insight, 65% respondents in the Philippines stated that they consumed plant-based food alternatives. The same survey revealed that the main reason for consuming such food products was due to its health benefits. Now, some say that if the reason for going plant-based is because of health, then this is not an ethical concern. I disagree. Eating healthy, as in going plant-based, has been shown to be an ethical choice. A senior sous chef of Unilever Food Solutions, Brando Santos, says plant-based diets are here to stay because of younger generations who are more aware of sustainability, environmentalism, and the future of the planet, especially when it comes to the food they eat. Eating healthy by going plant-based is truly a food ethics concern. However, high nutritional quality does not necessarily correspond to affordability or lower environmental impact. Therefore, when determining sustainable diets, all the dimensions, nutrition, environment, affordability, acceptability, need to be assessed using relevant indicators. Still, going plant-based definitely goes a long way towards healthy eating. It can lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, lowers the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. It can prevent type 2 diabetes. It can even help you lose weight and minimizes your risk for cancer and strokes. It has even been shown to slow the onset of Alzheimer's. A good example of how one can go about shifting to a plant-based diet is the Meatless Monday campaign. Go meatless for at least one day a week for your health and the health of the planet. It is a movement that encourages people to reduce their meat consumption for their personal health and the health of our planet. Meatless Mondays was launched in the United States in 2003, by the Johns Hopkins and Columbia University Schools of Public Health. The movement was set on a Monday, when most Americans start their week in work or school, to more effectively change people's eating habits. And then in 2011, Dr. Custer Diocaris, a neuroscience and biogerontology expert with the Department of Science and Technology, spearheaded the Luntiang Lunes, or Green Monday, campaign to align with the global Meatless Monday movement. Luntiang Lunes, meaning Green Monday. He jump-started the campaign by putting up a kiosk that sells healthy and meatless dishes at the Philippine Heart Center. This was quite well received by the public. Starting each week with practicing Meatless Monday will lead to people eating more plant-based throughout their week. Eating less meat reduces demand, greenhouse gas emissions, water pollution, and our carbon footprint, all from changing just one simple meal choice. Local businesses are fast responding to the call for a more ethical approach to eating. In September 2019, Sheraton Manila launched their 300 square meter Sheraton Farm under their partnership agreement with Nurture Pharmacy in order to facilitate the expansion of their farm-to-table dining concept to deliver healthy food to the community. Ana Vergara, Sheraton Manila's manager, was excited to present the restaurant's new menu to support the vegan or plant-based community. The year 2020 has changed so many things, she said, from the way we work to the way we eat. As people become more aware of their food choices, we want to offer flavorful yet healthy options to our guests as they renew their lifestyle, she shared. September 2021, one of the top food firms in the Philippines, Century Pacific Food Incorporated, expanded its presence in the meat-free market by introducing its Unmeat brand of plant-based products to retail markets both domestically and abroad. Nikki Dizon, Vice President and General Manager of CNPF Refrigerated Foods, shared, "The plant-based alternatives category here in the Philippines is still quite nascent. Plant-based food choices are scant in variety, making it difficult for consumers to consistently embrace a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. That's what we want to address with the launch of our breakfast line," he said. In October 2021, WTH Foods, an alternative protein brand, announced its intentions to launch an R&D facility in the Philippines in the first quarter of 2022. WTH Foods, the Philippines' first homegrown plant-based startup, has attracted funding from Henry Sosanto of Monde Nissin, the parent company of legacy meatless brand Corn. The $1.2 million seed round, led by Big Idea Ventures, will go towards ramping up R&D to develop more veganized Filipino-style dishes and meat alternatives. I would like to think that you and I are also part of this Meatless Mondays, going plant-based, just changing our diet from going full-on meat to going a little bit more plant-based. The star of your plate should not be the meat, it should be the plants. There is a program called the Pinggang Pinoy, which we should all follow. You get a plate, and half of the plate should be dedicated to plants. You have your vegetables, you have your fruits, and then 1/4 of the plate should be your grains. It doesn't have to be rice. It can be pasta. it can be root crops, and then the remaining 1/4 of your plate, that should just be the meat. And it doesn't have to be meat. It can be fish, it can be poultry, no, it's just protein rich. In conclusion, the rising popularity of plant-based diets in the Philippines stems from health, environmental, and economic considerations. Shifting towards plant-based eating patterns offers numerous benefits, including improved health outcomes, reduced environmental impact, and increased availability of sustainable food options. With the support of local businesses and innovative startups, embracing plant-based choices is becoming easier and contributes to a healthier future for individuals and the planet.